Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today in Fatima Ali's kitchen, we're cooking Sunday roast. We're going to make a light marinade for our chicken because we're going to have it with gravy, roast potatoes, stuffings as well. We're putting 1 teaspoon of whole grain mustard, 1 teaspoon of French mustard, 1 teaspoon of my green seasoning, knockers, half a teaspoon of chili, half a teaspoon of black pepper, pinch of salt, 1 jumbo cube, some lemon juice, and then we mix all these together. So we mix it. We put some inside the chicken. Now we're going to leave this in the fridge for 1 hour for the marinade to get in the chicken before we start roasting it. We're having it in the afternoon. So we are going to put a clean peel on the marinated chicken and put it in the fridge so that the marinade will get into the chicken. Right, that's it. We'll show you later what's going to happen. Onto our roast potatoes. We got the potatoes all nice and clean and cut into halves. We're going to put 3 garlic cloves in there. We're going to put a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of salt, thyme, and rosemary. Also, we're going to add some oil, and we will mix. So we will be putting the potatoes in the oven now and the chicken, and hopefully everything should be roasted in 1 hour, but we will show you once it's all roasted. Goes the chicken and the potatoes. So guys, we're making our gravy now. So we've got hot water here and we're adding our pesto gravy in. And then we just stir up, put all of it in and just stir. We're going to add the stock that the chicken was cooked in.
Give the gravy a very nice taste and flavor. Nice one.
We're making our stuffing now, guys. So we need 400 milliliters of water in the stuffing, and then we're going to mix. Until it's all smooth. No. We don't want any dry bits on the sides, so make sure you mix it thoroughly. We're going to leave it for 5 minutes before we make it into balls. Guys, here we have it. Our roast dinner is ready. I'm gonna start carving the chicken. I'm gonna cut it nicely from the middle. As you can see, it's all nicely cooked. I think that should be good for me. Let's make a plate. The potatoes are nicely roasted. I like the looks of it. Guys, we are ready. That's my plate here. Everybody's gonna have a plate. I'm going to put a little bit of gravy on my roast chicken. All over the potatoes. Lovely. I'm gonna enjoy my roast dinner, everyone. If you like our video today, guys, thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And then right, that's it. That's all we've got for you guys today. We were happy to be in the kitchen for you all today as well. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye. Love you all.